Hello Shropshire. We are now just over a week into our second national lockdown. I realise that these restrictions will be very challenging for us all over the next few weeks, but we must do all that we can to try and keep the infection rates as low as possible. As you'll have seen from my update this week, our infection rate is still high and is rising. It's particularly high in the 20 to 29-year-old age group and in the over 70s. We hope that these national measures, coupled with our ongoing collective efforts locally, will lead to a reduction in the number of cases in the coming weeks, reducing the impact on our NHS and care sector locally. During the national lockdown, we should stay at home as much as possible and only leave home for specific reasons including education, work and essential shopping. There should be no household mixing indoors or in private gardens unless you're part of a care or support bubble. Outdoor activity is allowed and you can meet one other person from outside of your household. And it's important to remember that children who are under school age, as well as those dependent on round-the-clock care who are with their parents, will not count towards a limit of 2 people meeting outside. The advice, as always, remains if you have any of the following symptoms, a new persistent cough, a high temperature or a loss or change of your sense of smell or taste, that you must self-isolate and book a test. We've got good availability locally of tests and we've got test sites in Shrewsbury and Whitchurch as well as postal tests available. Tests can be booked in advance for you or any member of your household by visiting 119 or going online to the government.uk website. We are here to help as well if people need support. If you need any help or advice, please contact our COVID helpline on 0345 678 9028 or visit shropshire.gov.uk/coronavirus. I want to thank all Shropshire residents for their efforts and we need to keep going to help stop the spread. Keep maintaining our distance, keep washing our hands and wearing face coverings so we can bring those numbers quickly down. If we can all remember hands, face and space, we have a better chance of leaving the national restrictions as quickly as possible. Thank you, Shropshire.